you how to create a document, create a slideshow, and use voice to text in both of those applications. So if I'm in a Google Classroom class and I go to an assignment that I might have, let's say they're asking you to create a slideshow. If you go to your work, you go to Add, the plus, and you go to Slides, which is like PowerPoint, okay? And then once you create one, you wait for it to load, and it opens. And then usually you put your title and your name on this slide. Okay, and you can use voice to text this way. So for Google Slides, it's a little different. You go to Tools, Voice Typing. You turn it on. I would like to write about animals. You copy it, so you highlight it with your mouse, or you can press Control A, which is select all, and then you can press Control X, which is cut. And then you click where you want to put it, and you press Control V. Okay, then you can Control A again, select it. You can make it bigger using this font size, and you can change the way the font looks right here to all these different things. Okay, so for Google Slides, to use the voice to text, you go to Tools, Voice Typing. It comes down here to Speaker Notes. You have to copy and paste it, or cut and paste it into wherever you want to put it in your slideshow. Okay, then if you want to create a doc, you go to Add, Doc. And voice typing is a little bit easier in this one. So it opens, and you'll want to go to Tools, Voice Typing. I am writing a paper about animals, period. My favorite animal is the river otter, period. You're going to want to press return. You want to make spaces. You also want to use spell check, which is tools and spelling, to make sure you spell check. Okay. And if you did want to use the Explore tool to do more research, you would want to highlight it, Command and C, which is Control C, which is to copy, and then paste the words you want to search into the Explore tool, which opens down here. All right, thank you. I hope this helps.